Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting class. Have you ever wondered how a car needs roads to carry people or goods from one place to another? Let's find out how plants and animals transport their essential materials. First, let's recap what we studied in our last class. In our last class, we defined transport system, diffusion, and osmosis. We also discussed the importance of diffusion and osmosis. And we explored the need for transportation. Before we move on, let's look at the lesson objectives. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Understand what is meant by materials for transportation. 2. Identify the media of transportation. When we talk about materials for transportation, it refers to the substances that need to be moved within living organisms to ensure their survival, growth, and proper functioning. These materials can include gases, nutrients, waste products, water, and hormones. In animals, the transport system such as the blood circulatory system carries the following materials. 1. Oxygen. Oxygen is transported from the lungs or gills in aquatic animals into all body cells. It is necessary for cellular respiration, which produces energy for the body. 2. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, a waste product of respiration, is transported from body cells to the lungs for exhalation. 3. Nutrients. Nutrients like glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids are transported from the digestive system to body cells. These are essential for energy production, growth, and repair. 4. Water. Water is transported to maintain hydration and involves chemical reactions within cells. 5. Waste products. Waste materials like urea are transported from cells to the kidneys for excretion. 6. Hormones. Hormones are transported through the bloodstream to target organs where they regulate various physiological processes like growth and reproduction. 7. Heat. Blood helps in distributing heat throughout the body to maintain a stable temperature. Now, let's see materials for transportation in plants. In plants, the transport system, which is the xylem and phloem, carries the following materials. 1. Water. Water is absorbed from the soil by the roots and transported through the xylem to the leaves. It is essential for photosynthesis, cooling, and maintaining cell turgidity. 2. Minerals. Minerals like nitrates, phosphates, and potassium are absorbed from the soil and transported to all parts of the plant for growth and development. 3. Glucose. Glucose produced during photosynthesis is converted into sucrose and transported through the phloem to other parts of the plant, including roots, stems, and fruits. 4. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen produced during photosynthesis is transported to other parts of the plant for respiration. Then, carbon dioxide is transported from the environment into the leaves for photosynthesis. 5. Hormones. Plant hormones such as auxins and gibberellins are transported from the site of production to where they are needed to regulate processes like growth and flowering. 6. Waste products. Waste products like oxygen from photosynthesis or resins and gums are transported to areas where they are either stored or released. We will move on to the media of transportation. Media of transportation refers to the substances or systems through which materials are carried from one part of an organism to another. These media ensure that essential nutrients, gases, hormones, and waste products reach their destinations efficiently. There are different types of transportation media. We have cytoplasm. The cytoplasm helps move substances like nutrients, water, and waste around within plant cells. Next is the cell sap. Cell sap is the liquid found inside the vacuole of plant cells. It contains water, sugar, salts, amino acids, and other dissolved substances. It helps in the movement of materials within the cell, especially between the vacuole and the cytoplasm. Let's move on to the next type of transport media. That is the blood. Blood, in its fluid state, can move large materials over the entire body through the blood vessels such as arteries, veins, and capillaries from where they are produced to their destination. Next is lymph. Lymph is a colorless fluid that circulates fats in the lymphatic vessels. It also helps in fighting infections by transporting white blood cells. We have come to the end of today's class. Before you go, please attend to the following classwork. 1. Define the materials for transportation. 2. Name the primary media of transportation in animals and their functions. Let's review what we've learned today. In today's class, we defined materials and media of transportation. We also mentioned the materials for transportation and where they are transported. And we discussed the types of transportation media. In our next class, we will discuss the mechanism of transportation in some organisms. Thanks for listening. See you soon.